Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix login failed, something went wrong, please try again later on Spotify. So guys, when you want to log in your Spotify app in iPhone and facing this issue again and again, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you have to go back, and guys, after going to back you need to open your settings on your iPhone and make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. So guys, if your internet connection is weak, you need to change your internet connection, and if you have already connected with Wi-Fi, simply you have to forget that Wi-Fi and reconnect it again with your iPhone. And guys, if you are using mobile data, simply you have to turn on your mobile data on your iPhone. And second step is you have to scroll it down, click on general, click on iPhone storage. Here is the option of transfer and reset iPhone. Click on reset, and guys, you need to reset your network settings. Maybe there is problem due to network. And guys, after this you have to check your VPN connection. If you have connected VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN. And guys, simply you have to click on language and region, and guys, you need to select your region according to your country. And guys, click on date and time. Make sure that you have selected date and time on automatically. And guys, after doing this you have to go back. So guys, after doing all the settings, simply you have to go back again, and guys, open your app store here, and here you need to search Spotify. So guys, after searching Spotify, you have to open your Spotify app here. And guys, you need to check for update. If you have not updated your app, you need to update your app, and after doing this you have to go back. And guys, after doing all the settings, your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, you have to open your settings again, click on general, click on iPhone storage, and guys, simply you have to scroll it below. Here is the option of Spotify. You have to click on Spotify and offload your app, and after doing offload you need to reinstall again and log in again. After this your problem will be fixed. So guys, after doing all the methods, your problem will be fixed. And guys, if still not fix your problem, you have to open an internet browser, and guys, here you need to search Spotify support and click on contact us. And guys, after clicking on it, you have to click on here the option of send us a message. Simply you have to click on this tab, and guys, you have to wait for some seconds. And guys, after this, simply you have to contact through message and tell them your problem that you are facing, and send a screenshot of your problem, and they will review your problem and they will fix your problem within few minutes. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.